Now we are going to do the revision test of MCQs for grammar and composition, part 1. We will be covering phrasal verbs, dialogue writing, and notice writing. So first let us start with phrasal verbs. You'll be getting 4 options and you have to go for one within 10 seconds. As usual. So let's start the first topic, the phrasal verbs. Pick out the expression of the meaning to come to an end. What will be the answer? Options: to break down, to break off, to break up, or to break in. I repeat, to come to an end. Which of the phrases, verbal phrases below will indicate the answer to come to an end? Means it will give the meaning to come to an end. Of course, you have got 4 options and you have to go for only one. And the time starts now. Time over. Yes, those who have gone for to break up, that is the correct answer. So those who have gone for third as option, you're getting it right. Now let's see the second one. Which of the following will give the meaning to reject? The first one, to turn off, to turn out, or to turn down, or to turn up. So which will indicate the meaning to reject? And the time starts now. Time over. Reject will be the correct answer. Yes. Third, to turn down. Turn down is the correct answer. So those who have gone for third, you're getting correct. Congrats. Let's see the fourth one. To accept defeat. To give in, to give away, to give out, to give way. Which is the correct answer? The time starts now. Time over. What will be the correct answer? First, to give in. So those who have gone for first, to give in, you're getting it right. And let's see the next one. To distribute. Which of the following will give the meaning to distribute? To give away, to give off, to give out, or to give in. And your time begins. Ten seconds. Time over. And the answer will be to give away, the first one. So those who have gone for first are getting correct. Congrats. The last one, to obtain by chance. Which of the following phrasal verbs will give the meaning to obtain by chance? To come across, to come by, to come in, to come off. And the time starts now. Time over. Yes, those who have gone for second, to come by. To come by means to obtain by chance. You're getting correct. Congrats. Now let's shift to dialogue completion. You know, these are useful when you go for drama. When you write dialogues for drama, it will be one person, two person, monologues and dialogues. Dialogue is the dialogues conversation between two persons. So that has been explained earlier. Now this is only the revision test. From the options, choose the form that best suits the function state to complete the dialogue. You have to complete the dialogue. So first read from beginning to end and you get an idea. And there will be 4 options to first, second and third, the blanks. So you have to go for it. Options will be given below. But first let us read the question. Amy, mother, I have something to tell you. Mother, what is it? Amy, so and so. Mother, how did it happen? Amy, I was dusting the shelf and knocked it over. Mother, so and so. That is the second vase you have broken. I am going to deduct some money from your allowance each week. Amy, it was just an accident, mother. It will teach you to be more careful. Sorry, mother, it will be teach you to be more careful. So the blanks that we have, first, second and third, and we have 3 options here, right? So the 4 blanks that we have and 4 options A, B, C, and here we put the blanks. For example, the first one, what will be the answer? Okay. Which group is the correct answer, right? So we have got first, second, third group. Together you have to go for one answer only. For example, dialogue, the first one, the answer will be, the time starts now. Okay. So hope you have seen the option. Once again I will show you the option. A, I did not finish the dusting. Not again. Oh no. B, promise me you won't get angry. How could you? I will explain to father. C, I've broken your favorite vase. You are really careless. That's not fair. D, you won't believe what I have done. Don't go into my room again. I don't have enough pocket money. So, which group of answer will be the correct one? Right? So in the first blank, similarly we have the other questions also, right? So only one answer will be right. Which group? A group, B group, C group or D group? And your time starts now. I am showing this the option only. Yes, time over. Will be the correct answer. We got 4 groups. Hope you are able to see all the 4 options. Yes. And the answer is C. The C group is the correct answer. That is, I have broken your favorite vase. You are really careless. That is not fair. So C is the correct answer. Let's see the second one. Ricky, why did you give money to that beggar? Vicky, so and so, I can't walk away, ignoring him. Ricky, you are just encouraging him to be lazy. It's a bad habit. Vicky, he looks old and sick. Ricky, so and so, but there are organizations to help people like him. Vicky, and what are they doing to help him? Ricky, all right, so and so. Now you have to understand the question and try to find the answer. Why should not I? All right, let's go. Is always the yes do. As he does, forget it. C, I dislike beggars. I believe you do what you like. D, I felt sorry for him. You may be right. Let's not argue about it. So if you are thinking this is going too much fast, then you can pause it, and then scrolling down, you can go for the answers. I put down the question here, and the time starts now. Yes, time over. What are the options? Which group is the correct answer? Let's have a glance and decide. D group is the correct answer. So I felt sorry for him. You may be right. Let's not argue about it. This is the correct answer. Those who have gone for it, congrats, you're getting it right. Next one, Rita. Hello Sita, did you have a good trip? Sita, it was too bad. Not too bad. In fact, I managed to sleep a bit. So and so. Rita, is that all your luggage? Vicky, yes. Wait a minute. The small holiday is missing. So and so. I must have left it at the duty free shop. Rita, so and so. We can ask the security guard to get it. Which shop was it? Of course, the dialogues should be different tone and different gender, but I've read it together. Just get an idea and try to go for the answer. We got 4 options. The first one, the first group of option, it was so quiet, oh dear, don't cry. Second one, the seat was really comfortable, what a nuisance, don't worry. C, the passengers slept, where could it be, are you sure? And D, it has made me feel rested, I remember now, we look for it. I know this will be too fast for you, so just you can pause and then decide the answer. The time starts now. This time over. Will be the correct answer. Which group? Group of answers. You see all the 3. And the correct answer is second one. I mean B. B is the correct answer. The seat was really comfortable. What a nuisance, don't worry. You have gone for B, getting right. The last one. Now this is only one sentence that is missing there as conversation, and you have to go for the correct option. Finish the conversation. Krishna, hurry. Jay, only 10 days to the holidays. Rama, I know I have been counting the days. I'm just sick of school. Krishna, so am I. What are you going to do with your holidays in yourself in the holidays? Rama, so and so. Now we get option. He's not going to school today. I'll be going to Mount Abu in the holidays. He will remain at home in the days. Our school is near the city. You can see the thing. Once again, I show you the option. He's not going to school today. I will going to Mount Abu in the holidays. He will remain at home in the our school is near the city. So which one of these will suit in the last dialogue that you have to decide? And your time starts now. Or yes, what will be the correct answer? He's not going to school. So you see the preceding one and you get the answer, right? What are you going to do with yourself on holiday? I will going to Mount Abu in the holidays, right? You see the second one because you're asking him, so obviously I, not he. So we got 2 starting with he, so that will not be the right answer. The right answer will be I. I will going to Mount Abu in the holidays. So those who have gone for second, you're getting it right. With this we complete the dialogue writing. Now let's shift to notice writing. Even if you memorize one notice, then it will be enough. You try to put this in other notice if it comes for exam. So here is the format, and we have put it in fill in the blanks as MCQ. Complete the notice writing. So the name of the school will be on top. It is Delhi Public School, for example. Then date will be in the left hand side. Notice in the center. And annual day program. This also will be in the center. So this is not aligned properly, but it should be in the center. All the staff and students are hereby informed that our school dash an annual day competition dash 5 p.m. in the MP hall. The district magistrate DM has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the program. There will be culture program like solo song, group dance, drama, etc. Those interested to participate in the culture program should give their names letters by so and so to the undersigned. The chief guest will give away prizes to the students. The program dash Rohit, coordinator, culture club, and we have got the options here, group of options, right? So what will be the first option? Is going to organize. You can see the fill in the blanks. The first one, A, was school dash an annual day program. So what will be the correct answer? Is going to organize, had organized, will organize, have been organized. Similarly, in the B blank, what will be the correct option? Preposition, at, on, by, or for. Similarly, C, what will be the correct option? In, of, on, at will be the correct option. And lastly, D, will close is a grand success, will be followed by refreshment, will be followed by refreshment, or is over will be the correct answer. So you have to go for it, and the time starts now. You can pause and jot down the correct answer before the time starts. So I can't show you completely. The time starts. Time over. You can scroll down, see the options. Yes. Let us check your answers. The first one will be first is going to organize, right? So that will be the correct answer. Is going to organize, the first one. Those who gone for will bring, have been organizing, everything is wrong. The second one, of course, it's date, so it will be on. Second is the correct answer. The third one is the preposition before time. So of course, what will be the correct answer? Those who gone for fourth, at will be the correct answer. And lastly, D, we have got will be followed by refreshment. The program will be followed by refreshment. So those who gone for third option are getting right. Congrats. Those who got all the questions correct, congrats, keep it up. All the best for your exams. Have a good day.